If you are running a service of refrigerator repair, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your refrigerator repair business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, service info, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your refrigerator repair business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. Over here, I'm going to enter my key message as hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they have mentioned, welcome to Pabbly Fridge Fix, your go-to expert for fast and reliable refrigerator repair. What do you need help with today? With that, they have provided me 3 action button: repair charges, part availability and book repair visit. I'm going to click on repair charges. As soon as I have clicked on repair charges, they have mentioned all the pricing with the services, and with that also they have given me 3 action button: menu, book a repair and need help. Let's click on book a repair. To book my service, they want few details of mine like address. I will enter my address. Now they want to know about preferred date and time. I will mention date and time. Now they want to know about the issue. Let's say my refrigerator is not cooling. After mentioning every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message in which they mention that booking received, a technician will call before the visit, payment is made after service completion. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and need help. Let's click on the menu option as I don't need any help. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. So as you can see, the chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better and fun. That too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. And by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on add flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by flow start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for refrigerator repair business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your refrigerator repair business. After that, we need to know 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, today I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag media button from message section and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, we need to click on add content button and select the text button. Over here, I will enter my message which says, "Welcome to Pabbly Fridge Fix, your go-to expert for fridge reliable refrigerator repair. What do you need help with today?" With that, I'm going to provide few action buttons. To add buttons, we need to click on add button option and enter our text like repair charges, like parts availability, book repair visit. Now, after adding each action button, I want to add separate message for every action button. Let's start with repair charges. To tell my customer about the repair charges, I will drag and drop over here and select the text button. Under this, I'm going to write my message in which I will mention all the charges that are available for our repairing. Like this, where I have mentioned all the basic repair charges with their pricing. Now with that, I'm going to add 3 action button: menu, book a repair, and need help. Now I'm going to connect my menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on the menu button, they will get initial message again. Now to book a repair, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question and connect with my previous question. Over here, I'm going to enter my message. Let's book your fridge repair. Please reply with following details. Number 1, full address. After that, I'm going to add my contact custom field as address and my format as any. Now, after knowing full address, I want to know preferred date and time. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question and connect with my previous question. Over here, I'm going to write my message. Please reply with preferred date and time. And for that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now, after knowing date and time, I want to know about the issue they want to book a service. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Don't forget to connect each and every question with each other. Please reply with issue brief, example not cooling, gas refill, fan noise, etc. And with that, I'm going to add my contact custom field as issue and my format as any. After knowing each and every detail of my customer, I'm going to give them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will mention that booking received, our technician will call before the visit, payment is made after services completion. And you can see I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message on my chatbot. With that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect my menu button with our initial message like this, and I'm going to give a separate message for need help. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Need assistance. A member of the Pabbly Fridge Fix team will contact you shortly. Now I'm going to connect every need help button with this message like this. And now let's move to our next action button, which is part availability. To tell about the availability, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will mention all the available parts, and even I'm going to mention parts which are not available like this, in which I have mentioned all the parts with in stock, limited stock or out of stock. Now with that, I'm going to provide two action button, book a repair and menu. I'm going to connect book a repair button with our initial question that we have recently put to book our services, and I'm going to connect menu with our initial message. Now last button is book a visit. For that again I'm going to connect this action button with the initial questions. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that you just need to save your flow and come with me to the settings section. Over here you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for refrigerator repair business using Pabbly chat flow. On the last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.